Hi guys, Tychesy here doing a little unboxing of this Tychesy Smart Body Tape Measure. And so we're going to get into this and see what it's like. We've been using a regular tape measure to measure our progress through our exercise and our weight loss and our body changing. And kind of a pain in the neck. This one I'm looking forward to using. It does automatic, helps me along, has an app, everything. So here's your USB cable. Here's your quick guide for your smart body tape measure. Simple. It also has an app. It's Fit Days Plus app to connect it to the measuring tape. This one is the user manual. Walks you through everything, the setup, where your LED screen prompts, everything to seeing what the app looks like. So that's pretty amazing. Here's the power switch right here. You have your USB charger as well. And to get it open and started, you simply press down the measuring tape here. Press down one more time. And it extends out. For you to measure your progress. Simply put it here. Simply put it here. And retract tape. This little button right here is what retracts the tape in for you. And here is how much my wrist is in centimeters. So it's 15.4 centimeters. And that's the accurate measure for my wrist. Thank you for watching, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye. Oh, be quiet.